Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upgrade your AWeber email marketing account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upgrade your AWeber email marketing account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're trying to use the free AWeber account, it's good to get started, but you can outgrow it really quickly with the limitations. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and upgrade your AWeber free account, you're going to click on your company name down here on the bottom left. All right, once you click there, you're going to see these four buttons right here. And in order to go ahead and upgrade your AWeber free account, click on billing right here on the second line. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and upgrade your AWeber free account. So they have a lot of different plans to choose for your upgrade. If you are going to be using this for a long time, you might want to go with annually because you get basically a 30% discount. Or you can do what I do and switch this over to monthly. Next, to get the actual price, you want to go ahead and choose how many subscribers you have. If you have more than 150,000 subscribers, you might want to go ahead and sign up for the unlimited plan because it's just under $900 per month. But if you have less, then go ahead and adjust it right here. So for the purpose of this video, I'll go 0 to 500. And if you scroll down, the main difference between these plans are the amount of email lists. So the Lite only includes one email list. For example, if you have an email list that is geared to people who like Mexican food, Chinese food, and Italian food, that's 3 different lists. The Lite plan is not going to work for you. You're definitely want to sign up for the Plus plan because you get unlimited email lists. Also, landing pages, if you're running landing pages, this is going to be unlimited, and Lite is only going to be 3 maximum. For today, I'm going to go ahead and sign up and upgrade my AWeber free plan to the Plus plan. So I'm going to click here, get started with Plus. Okay, here is where you can go ahead and upgrade. So again, make sure that you've chosen correctly between annually and monthly. Also, you want to make sure you chose the correct amount of subscribers. If you choose it too low, you're not going to be able to add those subscribers in, and you want to go ahead and enter in your credit card information and then click on upgrade. I'm going to do all this information in off screen. Okay, entered in all the required information. I'm going to click here on upgrade. And as you can see, here is the price that I'm going to pay. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my plan has been upgraded. So I can have up to 500 subscribers and I can send 6,000 emails per month. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upgrade your AWeber free plan, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.